Hi guys, welcome in this new video where I'm going to show you a platform that offer virtual debit card. So with this particular card, you can be making your advertising transactions such as Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, Bing ads, and co. And you also have many advantages when you're using this particular debit card, because you can be getting 3% cashbacks, which is very interesting, and you can also be getting free virtual cards, and you also have the affiliate program that will help to earn more money, and you have many tools that will help you to manage your team, which is very interesting with this particular platform. I'll be showing you step by step how you can be using this particular debit card, so pay attention. So to start, the first thing you have to do is to create an account. So to create the account, just go to the video description. The first link in the video description, just click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this place. Once you get to this place, you have to register, you have to sign up, you have to create an account. Okay, so you can choose either you want to sign up with Google or Telegram email. Okay, so you just have to choose the one that you want to use to sign up. So after that, the next thing is to enter your details, your information. So after that, you just have to accept their terms and conditions and click on the button sign up to continue. So after click on the button sign up, your account will be created. So once your account is created, this is how it will be looking like. So as I was saying, it's a virtual debit card in US dollar, and you can be using this particular debit credit card for your advertising transactions, as I was saying, Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, Bing ads, and co. And you can see here that they've said the cashback 3%, which is very interesting. So you can see the name of the platform, PST. So once you create your account, the first thing to do if you want to do your transactions is to do the deposit. Remind you, this one is a virtual debit card which has all those information that you can have on an ATM card. You have all those information here, so you don't have to worry about it. So once you're here to do the deposit, all you have to do is to click on the button top up here. Okay, so once you click on the button top up, you can see the method of deposit. Okay, so you can deposit through USDT, TRC20, or Bitcoin. You can also use the others method such as bank transactions and co. So you have in total 18 cryptos that you can use to do the deposit over here. So if you don't want to use the cryptos, so you can use your ATM card to do the deposit. There is no problem on it. The good thing about this particular virtual debit card is that they have been insured by banks located in the United States and Europe, so you don't have to be afraid about the authenticity of this particular cards. They are very authentic, and there is no risk about this particular card because of where they have been insured. And as I was saying, you have 3% cashback on all the advertised expenses, and also you have up to 100 free virtual card per month, which are very important. To buy the card, you have to come here and choose. Just click on the button menu. So after click on the button menu, click on the button private over here. So once you click on the button private, you can see it works on subscriptions basis. Okay, so you can see $10 per month, you have $49 per month, $249 per month, you have $499 per month. So you have to choose the subscription that you want, and all these subscriptions have their advantages, so choose the one that you want to buy. So after doing the deposit, you can now choose the kind of card that you want to buy, because depending on the advertising that you want to do, you have to choose the card that is matching with that particular advertise. So after doing the deposit, just click on this button, issue a card. So after clicking the button issue a card, you have the different type of cards and advertise here. So you can see this particular one is for Facebook. So if you want to do a Facebook ad, you have to come and buy this particular one, and you can see cashback 3%. So if it's a Google ads that you want to do, you have to come and buy this particular one. Remind you, before you can see all those informations that you have on your ATM card, unless you buy the card, unless you top up your account, you do the deposit and buy the card before you can see all those information, such as the ATM ID, the number, the CVV, and the expiring date. After buying the card, you see all those information. So if you want to do a TikTok ads, you can see, you just have to come and buy this card, so you can see those informations, and you can see what is written there. For the security purpose, you have all those things here that make sure that your debit virtual card is very secure, so that you can use it without any doubt, without any fear. So let me go back to show you other features that you have on the platform. So let me click on this button to close this particular option. So after closing the particular option, if you have any question, you can ask the customer service. So just click on this particular button at the upper right side here. So once you click on that button, this is the customer service, so you can chat them on Telegram. You can see the time that they are available. You can also chat them through email. You have live chat here on the platform. They are available 24/7 to answer your questions, to help you solve your problem. You can also chat them on WhatsApp, so that any question that you have, they will help you to solve your problem. You can also convert your money. Example, if you have deposited Bitcoin or USDT and you want to exchange it into dollars, you can pass through this particular place and do it, okay, so that you can easily do your advertising. I was also talking about the affiliate program. So to see your referral link, all you have to do is to click on the button menu here again. So after click on the button menu, you now have to click on the button team over here. So after click on the button team, you click on the button invite member. So once you click on the button invite member, this is your referral link over here. Okay, so once you're here, just copy this one, start sharing it with people, and anyone who use this link to register will be under you, and you can be earning a lot of money with this particular feature. So you can be earning 90% on the exchanges that the person will be making, and 30% when the person is buying a new card, and 10% on the subscription renewal, which is very important if you are referring people. Remind you to you have many advantages that you can get on the platform. Automatic recharge, you have creation of the members account, you can transfer money between teams. If you are in the same team, you can transfer money to each other, which is very interesting. You can also export the finance report in CSV and XLS form, which is very interesting too. And you can also follow up your expenses on the dashboard. There is also what we call a card holder that facilitates the management of many cards. So once you click on the button menu, you can see those features. You have account, you have finance, you have team, merchants. So all these things help you to manage your account well. As I was saying, you can export the finance report here in CSV and XLS form, which is very interesting. And as I was saying, this particular platform works on subscription basis. As I was showing you guys, when you want to do your deposit, you make sure you come here and check the subscription that you want to use and see the conditions before you can do your deposit. So it is very important, and I've shown you guys how to buy your card. Let's click on the button menu here. Okay, as I was saying, you have the 3% cashback, which is very interesting on all the transactions. So you also have the giveaways that you'll be doing every week, $100 giveaway every week. So you make sure all the time you come here and check and participate in the giveaway too. And as I told you, this is like a normal ATM card, so the beam will be there. Okay, you'll be having the beam that will help to get all the information in real time. I mean, all the informations of the card in real time, so you don't have to be afraid of using this particular card. You can see that they have written under all this card here, you can see the beam everywhere, which means that this card is very secure, so you don't have to be afraid of it. You can see the exclusive beam, which shows that this card is very secure. Once on the platform, if you can't find your language, you can just, on the main menu here, you can just click on this particular icon here so that you choose your language. So as you can see, as for me, I'm speaking English, so I will leave it in English here. So just speaking these languages over here, you can just select them so that you will be understanding what they have written on the platform here. It is very simple. The beans are being secured in permanence, and remind you that all these virtual debit cards on this platform are using the Visa and MasterCard network, which is very important. And as I was saying, to register on this particular platform is very simple. Just have to use your Google account or Telegram or WhatsApp or Apple ID or email address, and to recharge your account is very easy. Okay, you can use USDT or BTC, or you have 16 other cryptocurrency that you can use to deposit. You can also deposit through bank transaction, okay, or you can deposit through Visa transactions. Okay, the customer service is available 24/7 to answer your questions. You also have a Telegram bot that sends you notifications just to secure your account, and you also have a 2FA authentication for a good security, which is very interesting with this particular platform. And you don't have a limit when you are buying the cards. You can buy any number of cards that you want, and you can also deposit any amount that you want. And the new members, their first deposit on USDT it is free of charge. They don't pay any charge when they are depositing with USDT on their first deposit, which is very, very interesting. Okay guys, I think I've spoken a lot about this particular platform. Okay, just to let you understand that this one is a very, very reliable online virtual card that you can use for your advertising, such as Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, Bing ads. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that if I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.